Hello everyone, my name is Jal Patel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are solving a problem number 1217, minimum cost to remove clips to the small position. This is very interesting greedy problem where the solution becomes super easy once we understood the observation behind it. So let's go start it. The problem statement: we are given an array called position. Each each value represents the position of a clip. We will move through the code to check it. For int whose position if whose modulus 2 equals to 0, e even plus plus else odd plus plus, then return minimum of even and odd. Here is the code for this question and it satisfies all the cases. At first we create two variables even and odd. This will count clips at even and odd place. Now we travel the array. If position modulus 2 equals to 0, that means position is even, so increase the count, otherwise increase the odd count. Finally we get at the output return even and odd, because moving from the smallest group cost is less. So that was the solution for LeetCode 1217, minimum cost to move clips to the small position. This problem is perfect example of observation can simplify a problem completely. Thank you.